I really enjoyed the Six Fingers workshop because it's true, I've never before sat down and just talked to people about problems. It's always about solutions. So I thought that was really unique.
I found this a very interesting session, particularly myself working on this urban issues was really interesting to learn how to think not only in a broader perspective but think in a very downside scale, or think about individual perspectives.
La Barcelona Resilience Week es un encuentro que durante una semana pues, se realizan distintas actividades, workshops como el que acabamos de realizar, sesiones y diálogos especialmente para profundizar un poquito más sobre cuáles son los retos de las ciudades cuando están construyendo y creando ciudades más resilientes y más sostenibles.
Why Spain? Why Barcelona? Why setting up a design thinking company outside of the Netherlands? Well, the reason for it is that I firmly believe that Barcelona and Eindhoven have some similarities. We learn a lot from each other. I love doing it together today, working for the United Nations.
Today we had a great conversation and actual hands-on workshop understanding how you can integrate the thoughts around what a smart city is and design thinking. And when you pair design thinking and smart cities, you get something different. We call it the happy citizen design. And that is a blending of smart cities but human-centered design.
I enjoy very much these workshops about new resilience challenges because we use this 6 hexagon canvas that you have for identifying the problems of the smart cities of the future.
Really enjoyed the presentation that we had and the workshop thereafter. I'm looking forward to exploring more this technique of empathy mapping in my work in Vienna.
SixFingers España ha arribado a Barcelona para poder colaborar y trabajar con sus clientes en encontrar ese sexto dedo, esa diferenciación que les permita innovar y permanecer en su mercado. Nosotros realmente trabajamos con conocer cuáles son los verdaderos dolores y problemas de nuestros clientes para poder realmente generar una innovación. Atrévete a diferenciarte y aquí estamos para poder colaborar con ustedes.